So I'm gonna quickly show you how to use your fabric shaver and Folex. So we've got a nice chair here that's been used by someone that's been wearing a lot of dark denim. So you can see there are a lot of pills on the side and discoloration of the fabric. So super easy. You take your fabric shaver, turn it on, and you move in circular motion over the pills, and you can see just this area, how much it's already pulled off. So this is really great, really easy to use, kind of foolproof. And then your Folex, basically you'll just take it, spray it on the affected area. Take a rag, you don't need to wet it, and just rub it in, and you can see that it's starting to pick up the jean that's left on the chair. Might take you some time depending on how big the area is, but it will eventually come off. So there you have it.